Good morning, students. Let's start our session today. We started our revision from last week. From this week, I'm going to give you revision along with Google Form test. Here I will teach you from the same unit. You may know already because our title of the story is The Magic Garden. You may aware of it already, right? Yes. The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigold, poppies, and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are too good as true. They dig the ground so well." Now I am going to explain this. The Magic Garden is located in school playground. There is many pretty flowers like sunflower, roses, poppies, and pansies, marigold. All flowers are there. The garden is filled with very colorful flowers. They are singing and dancing. At the same time, the little birds also there. They are waiting for the children. The birds and flowers, both of them is waiting for the kids because they love the children. Do you know why the birds and flowers are love the children? Because the kids are bring bread pieces from their home. They feed it to the birds. That's why the tiny birds love the children. Do you know why the flowers are love the children? Because the kids are dig the ground and they pour water on the plants so that the plants are growing very well, so that the flowers are also very happy. Here both of them waiting for kids' arrival. So they are very happy and they dressed up in very nicely and very pretty. And there is all of them singing and dancing happily. When the children are entered the school garden, they stopped singing and dancing. They are simply listening how the kids are coming. So when the kids are entering the garden, they are looking around them. They are looking about the tallest sunflower and very colorful marigold. Such a wonderful flowers are they are looking. So one boy came front to the sunflower. He is telling that how a long and prettiest sunflower. He just surprised about the sunflower. Do you know what is the color of sunflower? It's a yellow color, right? Yes. Then the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Do you imagine how it lifted his head? Very nice, right? Yes. The same way one boy came near to the marigold. He is telling that what a very fabulous golden dress, and that marigold also smiles at him. And finally, there is little fairy also joined with them. They sing song and they danced. Do you know what sound the kids can hear in this garden? The kids only can hear the song from the birds and flowers. Others won't get and they can't hear because it's only dedicated to the small kids. So the kids only can hear the song. Finally, the kids left from the garden. The garden was very quiet and calm, and the birds and flowers are sleeping and dreaming for the next day kids' arrival. Children, do you enjoy this story? And this story is adapted from the Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. Now here I am going to explain you some new words along with the meanings and book back question and exercise as well. Let's read that. So here are the new words. Here our new words are magic, garden, gardener, playground, sunshine, golden, and dreaming. Now I am going to give you meaning of all these new words. Here, magic. The meaning of magic is illusion. And next one is garden. The meaning of garden is nursery. Gardener. The meaning of gardener is garden employee. And next one, playground. The meaning of playground is play area. And next one, sunshine. The meaning of sunshine is light from the sun. And next one is golden. The meaning of golden is bright yellow color. That final one is dreaming. The meaning of dreaming is asleep. Here I am going to give you some book back questions with the answers. Let's see that. See, here there are 4 questions are there. First question is, why did the flowers love the children? Do you know why the children love? Because the children are dig the ground and they're watering the plants, so that the flowers are love the children. And second question is, why did the birds love the children? The answer is, the children bring bread pieces from their home. They feed the birds. That's why the birds are love the children. And name the 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Of course, you may know the answer. I'll tell you that answer. Poppies, pansies, sunflower, roses, and marigold. And we'll go for the last question. What sound could the children hear in the garden? Do you know what is the sound? Because the birds and flowers are singing in the garden. So, the children only could hear the sound. Okay children, here I am going to give you Google Form test also along this video. Complete this Google Form test and submit that. Thank you. See you in the next class. Stay safe.